So to start today's lesson, we're gonna make a fish that we're gonna add to as the day goes on. So to make your fish, you need a square piece of paper. This is not square, this is rectangle. To make it square, I'm going to fold it over so my edges line up. And you'll see that I have a triangle right there. And I'm going to cut my triangle with my scissors so that I have a square. Now it's helpful that I've already got this bend right here, because my next step is to fold my points in to touch the bend, kind of like a kite. So I'm going to put it just like that, and I'm going to do the other one the same way, like a kite folding into the center's edge. It's kind of tricky. My paper is very thick. There we go. Okay, so now I've got my kite folded. I'm going to open my kite flaps and put them together. You can see that we have this line right here. That line is very important. It is where I'm going to cut to with my scissors. So I'm going to start down here at the tail. And I'm going to make a little cut to the line. And then I'll make another one to the line. And I'm going to keep going all the way up until I have done about 20 cuts. Notice each time I'm going all the way to my line. The first fish I made, I didn't do that and it didn't work very well. So I have learned that I need to cut all the way to the line. That one I didn't do it, so I'm going back to fix it. All the way to the line. You do not need them cut as tightly together as I have. It will still work if they're farther apart. All the way to the line. Way to the line. Can't cut any faster than this. Uh-oh, I goofed again. There we go. And probably 2 more cuts and we'll have it. 1 and 2. I'm going to fix that one because it's not all the way to the line. There we go. Now I'm going to open this back up and we're going to take our scissors and we're going to round off the nose of our fish. There we go. Now my fish has a round nose. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these 2 flaps that don't have cuts, and we're going to overlap them so they go together. Now before you put them together, you can add a little bit of glue right here, or you can just use tape, which is what I'm going to do right now, is just to use tape. And I'm going to tape the top of my thing together. There we go. And we're going to tape these 2 flaps so they overlap together. Where's my tape? There it is. Tape on. And my flaps are attached. And now we can see my fish can move. My fish can move. And I'm actually going to put a little bit of glue on there so it can solidify while we get on to our next project. Put a little glue in there. Uh-oh, that didn't work. Try again. There we go. Put a little bit of glue in. Yeah. Then I can push it down. And that glue is going to dry before I add my fins and my tail. There we go. We're going to leave that to dry, and you can stop there.